the ball in and then head his own cross into the net. It's got that silly. There's nothing left for him to do. Or he's going to save a penalty or something. One of the things about Messi is that Messi is Maradona every day, and even Maradona wasn't Maradona every day.
Oh my goodness! You cannot believe it! Are we dreaming, Jerry?
Look at that! How good is he? It's ridiculous.
Little Messi, head down, draws defenders.
Messi skips away. Intelligent play. Messi steps over it, leaves it for Vidal.
It's brilliant from Messi, letting it run for Arturo Vidal.
He sinks back Messi to Coutinho.
Dropping nicely here for Messi. So too now, Nolito. Good ball from him, Iniesta. 3-0. Well, it's a superb move.
It's fantasy football from Barcelona.